Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Business Team. Welcome to the Business Team Property Cooperative. If you're here for the first time, congratulations on making that decision, and I'm sure that the time you spend here today will be well worthwhile. The first question you may have is, why did we choose the property market? Well, this graph explains everything. This is a graph from ABSA which shows the growth in the property market over a 20-year period from 1995 to 2015, and it's just happening, and it will continue to be happening. This trend does not stop. In 1995 you could buy a very nice 3-bedroom house in a nice suburb for 250,000 rands. The very same house in 2015 would cost 1.8 million. That's not by making additions and alterations to the house, it's by the natural growth of the property market. So if you're in the market, this trend will carry you along. If you're not in the market, you will get left behind. And this is why so many people these days cannot afford to get into the property market, because they don't have enough money to get in from the beginning. This is why we made the co-op, to enable you, to enable anyone to get into the property market and start sharing in this trend. This is a two-part presentation, and in this part number 1 we'll show you how to make some money every single day, which that's a great idea, nobody can dispute that. Then we're going to show you how to develop a passive income. A passive income means something that you do not do that brings money to you. Something that you do not do that brings money to you. Doing your own job, an activity done by somebody else that will bring money to you. A passive income. The third thing we're going to show you is later on how to use that money to become a property owner. So there's 3 phases. There's now money, there's passive income, and there's future assets. Part 2 will show you how to accelerate your growth through these stages all the way to becoming a property owner. As with anything worthwhile, step 1 is down to you. It's about you aligning yourself with an activity or activities that are designed to create cash flow. It's about doing that activity consistently initially for 90 days to set the foundation for your future growth. And during that time, you'll have a mentor who will advise and guide you each step of the way. Guys, this process is designed to create income. I can talk about design because for 25 years I ran my architectural office designing things, and if you design something for a purpose, it will achieve that purpose. If you design something to do a specific function and have a specific result, that's what will happen. You know, you can't design something for one thing and then it will do something else. So it's all about design. And this process is designed to create income. It's not going to teach you how to play the piano or play soccer. It's going to show you how to create income. Let us take a look at the business model of the co-op. The co-op business model for marketers is referral marketing. It's a really interesting model. If you don't understand about it already, here's some little aspects of it. First of all, there's no stock purchases required. Never have to buy stock to sell. There's no authorship or monthly quota of purchase requirements, nothing at all. It's a very flexible work model. You can work in your own time to suit yourself and your own activity and build it in and out of your lifestyle. You can do and work online or in person, and it has an unlimited income potential. It has no income ceiling. I love the word unlimited. And it has no boundaries. This is a worldwide business that you can start wherever you are and develop it all over the world. And the most important thing of all of this is no experience needed. Now let us take a look at the income products that are available to the co-op marketers. First of all, we have airtime. So as a co-op member, you can sell airtime from your cell phone to across all networks to all people around you. It will make you some money every day, only a small amount every day, but small amount is better than nothing, and you can never go bankrupt when you're making money. Start small. Next one, we have a daily medical plan that covers doctor's visits and medication and so on. The next one, and the one we're going to focus on today in particular, is currency trading. And the currency trading line of activity for marketers is a marketing activity. It's not a trading activity. It's a marketing activity. And all of the trading is done by another company on behalf of all the co-op members and on behalf of the co-op itself. We'll go into some detail about that in a few more slides. And then the marketers and the members have the ability to market property shares in the co-op property portfolio itself. These products and systems are designed to deliver short-term cash to you and also to help you develop a long-term asset base. These things are detailed shown in more detail on the co-op website, www.btpcoop.com. Go there, have a good look around. So let us start with cash flow. The fastest way to double your capital is to engage experts who specialize in doing exactly that. Systematic doubling of your capital is the fastest way to generate disposable income. And guys, disposable income determines your lifestyle. If you want cash, go to where the money is. What does that mean? The purpose of most business is to generate money. And people do it in many different ways. They manufacture things, they sell things, retailers buy from wholesalers, and then they sell stock to the public, and so on and so on. But all of those activities are peripheral to their main objective, which is making money. So if you want money, why don't you just go directly to where the money is and work in the money markets? And that's exactly what happens with our currency trading activity. We place money with the currency traders. They're experts in what they do. They trade with our money from Monday to Friday. The profits come on Saturday. It gets split. They keep theirs. We get ours. And this slide shows an average kind of week that's typical for the last 2 years, coming to about a 5% trading profit per week. It's not interest. We're not investing it. We gave them money. They did some work and they made profit, and we get a share in that profit. 5% average for the last 2 years. Now take a look at this, guys, because 5% per week is about the same as you would get if you had that exact same amount of money in the bank in a savings account, and that would be about the interest for 1 whole year, not 1 week. In the same way, this slide shows a typical month, fairly typical for the last 2 years. 5% per week times 4 weeks, it's about 20% per month. It varies up and down depending on the trading in that month, but this is passive income that comes to you from the work of other people. All you did was put some money with them, took it from the bank, put it with them. And this is what I did personally, is what the members of our co-op are doing, and those traders are making money for us all, as individuals and as the organization. And as an individual, there's no stock to buy, there's no sales to do, there's no employees, and it takes no time. So how is it that the traders can get these kind of results? And this comes down to business partnerships. When companies that have specialized expertise, when they join forces, they create what's called a strategic partnership. A strategic partnership is something that's created for a very specific purpose. The strategic partnership that produces these results is between two companies in the financial markets. Individually, their clients are large corporations, banks, government, large investment houses, and large individual investors, etc. The partnership that they've created now creates a public access platform, which means that any member of the public, you and me and anybody, can actually access the systems that they use for all their major clients. This is the breakthrough. So who are the companies that created this partnership? The first one is called EverFX, and they are a currency broker, an international currency broker. They're highly experienced in the international currency trading global market worldwide. They work in about 200 different countries all around the world. They've been doing this for many, many years. They are an award-winning trading broker. They're also the official sponsor of the Sevilla Football Club. If you're into soccer and look at the Champions League, when you're watching the Sevilla club, you will see the EverFX logos and sponsorship logos all around their ground. So to do currency trading, the traders need to have a authorized registered broker that's registered for activity in any of the countries where they're working. So EverFX has those regulatory compliances. They're registered with all the necessary regulating authorities. Step number one. That's the first company. They've been trading for many, many years with all kinds of organizations, large organizations and banks, etc. The other parts of the partnership is a company called CashFX Group. CashFX Group are experts in marketing, admin, financial, IT systems, the development of those IT systems, which they do for many other companies. CashFX Group creates for us within this partnership the Forex Educational Academy, the training packages that we use. It creates our members' website and all our back office systems. It provides all the technical support. It creates our marketing resources. It administers all our trading profits. Thank you very much. And it pays our referral commissions every single Saturday. And it has been doing that now for the last 2 years. Thank you so much. It has its own proprietary automated trading software. That means they designed it and they own it and it belongs to them. This is part of their success. It owns the IT expert, and it owns its own expert in-house traders. Everything within this company is in-house, owned by its company. So there's huge expertise here. There's huge expertise with EverFX, and they got together and created the platform that's now available to us. So why did they decide to do that? The companies got together to capitalize on current trends. They identified 2 trends, 2 expanding industries. One of them is online learning. That's been growing steadily year by year for the last 10 years. And now with the advent of COVID, it's just expanded and blown into massive proportions. And the other current and expanding trend is the currency trading market. Millions of people around the world have identified the currency market as a potential source of income for them, and they're trying to learn how to do that currency trading. You may even know someone yourself that does that on an individual basis. So these companies identified these trends and they got together to create a platform to service both of these trends, and that's what we do now. Merging these industries together was a totally winning strategy. If you look at them individually, you see that e-learning statistics are phenomenal. It's grown from 40 to 60% in the last few years, 900% growth between 2001 and 2017, and the current market is huge, and it's going to grow to $325 billion by 2025, just a few years away. So this trend is marching on, and this partnership can capitalize on that trend. And the other one is the global currency market and trading. The currency market is huge. It's massive. It's much bigger than all of the other markets combined. New York Stock Exchange, 20 billion a day. The equities market, 191 billion a day. The futures market, 400 billion a day. The currency market, $5.3 trillion per day in this market. So here's two massive trends coming together, and merging up these industries has given us this winning strategy that we can now take advantage of. So in practical terms, how do you take advantage of this? Well, there are two options. The first option is Forex education. The company can teach you how to become an effective currency trader in your own right through their educational academy. As you learn, you become more confident and you become more safer in your trading decisions. Tens of thousands of people are entering the trading arena as individual traders all around the world, not even using this package, going directly with banks that are providing platforms and so on. But that puts a lot of risk on you as an individual trader. And you have to be careful, because trading as an uneducated individual is a very risky pastime. To help you avoid that risk, CashFX Group has option 2, and that is to become a global partner and to let the professionals trade for you. And this is exactly what we've been doing within the co-op. The members do this, and the co-op itself is registered with them as a global partner, and the traders work with the co-op money as well as the money of the individuals. So how does that work? First of all, you get your educational modules anyway, but in addition to those educational modules, you get a trading pack. And the trading pack is a contract with the professional traders to work with the brokers on your behalf Monday to Friday in the global Forex market. And this makes you part of the winning team. So how exactly do you partner with CFX? First of all, you buy what's called a trading pack. And that trading pack combines the online learning, the academy, plus the currency trading element. The minimum trading pack is $300. And the contract that we make with the traders is that they will use that money in the market until it doubles. So a $300 trading pack will, over a period of time, double to $600. The time frame we don't know about, because the profits in the market change every single day. The trading changes every day. But the contract is to double that benefit. $300 will go to $600. You could enter and buy a higher level pack, a $500 pack or a $1,000 pack. In fact, these packs go all the way up to $100,000. And there are people who buy in to the trading pool at all these different levels, because they're finding that the profits that are coming from it is far more than having their money placed elsewhere. So a $500 pack would double to $1,000, and a $1,000 pack would double to $2,000. So how long does it take for this doubling to take place? The average time to double is approximately 5 months, and this is based on historical and current trading results. That means in a relatively short time frame of about 36 months, doubling could occur as many as 7 times. That would take a $300 trading pack to approximately 30,000 US dollars value. Guys, those are based on historical results going back from the current month back for a couple of years. But it's not a guarantee of future results, because the market conditions change every single day. But it is a good idea and a good predictor based upon historical performance. So this is a genuine passive income. It's done by other people. It takes no time and no effort for me, for you, for the co-op, for any organization that becomes part of this operation. All the trading is done by experts, and they use their automated artificial intelligence, This is software that's created by their own IT experts and managed by their expert traders every single day, adjusting the results, adjusting the programs to suit the market conditions. So when we showed you on the previous slide those different packs, 300, 500, 1,000, all the way up to $100,000, you can upgrade from one level to the next by using the profit from your trading. So you use your profit to upgrade from one level to the next, and each time you do that upgrade, it means that the traders have more money trading for you in the market, and it gives you a higher weekly income. I mentioned historical results, so let us take a look at what they are. This slide shows the monthly trading profits for every month through the year 2020. Starting in January, 36%, February 37%, and so on. You see around April, May, COVID came in, activities diminished, and the profit margin for those months went down, except for July, where they had a little jump up again, and then it went down. Christmas time it went down to 16% because the markets were closed for quite a few days over that period. But you can see the average here throughout the whole year, and that trend is just continuing now into 2021. We've had average 20% in January, February, March, April. And if you look back at that year, 329% growth, 329% profit on your money placed with those traders. If that money was stayed in the bank, what would you get? 9% at the absolute most, 9%. The traders are making that in 2 weeks. These are absolutely astounding monthly returns, and they're consistent. Consistency is a key word. If you find something that's consistent, has got a track record of consistency, it's a really good idea to take advantage of that. Let us take a step back and think about a bigger concept. Who's this man? This man's Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett's been identified as the world's wealthiest investor, and he says many things. He's many quotations and words from the wise are attributed to Warren Buffett. This is what he says: working for yourself is okay, but if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work till you die. And unfortunately, that's what most people do. They'll work 35, 45 years, and at the end of it, they achieve really not much. Guys, what we're doing with our currency activity is an easy, direct way to create that passive income that enables you to make money while you sleep. So here you are, fast asleep, listening to Warren Buffett. The traders are busy working for you Monday to Friday, 24 hours a day, using their automated artificial intelligence software. Every Saturday is payday. Sweet dreams. Guys, the next important thing in this process is called leverage. Leverage is about income that's generated to you by the work of others. The property co-op itself has a trading contract with those traders. That means the organization itself is making money. Income doubling that happens with the co-op buys property, and that property is jointly owned by the co-op members. So this is a team advantage. It's a great way for you to acquire property while you're busy making your own income, and that's called leverage income. You can find more details about that on the co-op website, www.btpcoop.com. This is really a great way to get leverage working for you. So what have we got? We've got you working for yourself. You've got a team of expert traders working for you. Now you have the co-op working for you in the property market. This is true leverage designed into this system, and it's designed for wealth creation. Not just now, not just next month, but it's designed for generational wealth creation. Many people around the world have created wealth for themselves and their families with activities just like this one. Right now there are more than 200,000 CFX people around the world making money every single day. Those Forex traders are doing a great job. And the question is, why not you? Why not you? It's only a decision that you have to make. Get on board, get the contract, and make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a really easy decision to make. Decide to start making money every day. Decide to start developing a passive income, and decide to become a property owner. Call the person who introduced you to this program. Give them a call today. Let them know, I'm ready to go. I want to start doing these things. You remember slide 2 or 3? It said it's about aligning yourself with an activity that can give you these results. Give them a call. Where will this lead? It just opens a door. It opens a wide door for you to walk through to a world of opportunity. There are many, many things out there that you can do. It's nice to be on this aeroplane when COVID goes away, but it's nice to be on this aeroplane and travel to those exotic countries and do those visits around the world and do that traveling that maybe you would have liked to do but couldn't afford it. There's many, many opportunities that open up when you're earning a serious kind of income. So guys, we've dealt with part 1. Part 1 is about passive income. It's how to create the short-term cash flow and the passive income. Part 2 is very different, and we're going to start with that now. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this exciting part 2. Part 2 is about how to accelerate the speed to your success by helping the company to expand and grow. CashFX Group has experts in all its areas of business as we described in part 1, but it has no direct marketing division. So if you help the company to expand its client base, the company will pay you for doing that, and it will pay you very well. And that's how referral marketing works. When you chose option 2 to become a global partner, you also get the opportunity to help the company expand its client base. The more clients the company has, the more money goes into its trading every single week, the more profit we make and the more profit the company makes. So this is a win-win concept. And if you do that and you help the company to grow, CFX will pay you very well. It will pay you in US dollars, and it will pay you every single week on a Saturday. It has never missed a payment. So you let the pros do the working for you, and you share that opportunity with somebody else. Guys, this is an optional choice for you. You can choose to do it or not, but if you choose to do it, you will be very happy. Starting on a new journey is an exciting thing. Here's a Cape Town couple that did just that a few short months ago, and let us see where it took them.
Hey guys. So we're just on here giving God the glory. Since we've joined CFX, things have really changed for us. We're going to share with you now what's happening today, and if it wasn't for CFX, this would not have been possible. Our passive income that we're earning every Saturday has made us, has made this possible. So I just want Taryn to share. I don't know what she wants to say.
I don't want to say much, but I just want to give God all the glory and honor for everything and for all the blessings, and for me being able to meet this beautiful salesman named Dennis. Come, Dennis. Dennis, come show your face, Dennis.
We're going to make you famous.
We need to make you famous. Dennis, this is marketing for you, Dennis.
So listen, guys, we just want to say thank you to CFX because, like I said, we both work, but this wouldn't have been possible without CFX. So this is the big reveal. Thank you, CFX. Yep, it's real, folks. Sorry, Dennis. It's real. There we go. There we go. There we go. The new Kia Seltos 2020. Me and Taryn are picking this bad boy up today. Um, Guys, like I said, this would not have been possible without CFX. And
Whoa, that was exciting. Guys, those are just one couple of thousands of people that are benefiting from this program now. So how does the trading pack work? How does this money get to us from what the traders do? So when you choose your trading pack, it can start for as low as $300. It can go all the way up to $100,000. So let us look at a $1,000 pack, because the figures to work with that are quite easy to work with. 70% of that value goes into your daily trading contract, as we've described in part 1, and the traders will work with that amount. 70% of the 1,000 is $700. That will be traded for you every single day in the Forex market, Monday to Friday. The other 30% goes into the educational modules, and this is for later on, because the company also has what's called a copy trading program, where you can get direct access to the FX platform using the artificial intelligence created by CFX. But you need to have some education to do that, okay? Remember what we said earlier, uneducated trading is risky. So the educational modules are very important. So when you buy this pack, that money belongs to the company. They use a portion of it to trade for you, give you the profits, and they contract to double the value for you from $1,000 to $2,000. The 30% that goes to the educational pack belongs to the company. But what do they do with it? They don't keep it. They're going to pay that back to us in different ways, and they use it to support the rewards program. And the rewards program is very exciting, and we're going to go into that right now. So 30% of a $1,000 trading pack is $300 goes into the rewards program. And a half of that, 15%, half of that comes to you as a fast start bonus. That would be $150 on a $1,000 pack. So if you referred this program to one of your friends and they came on board and they purchased a $1,000 trading pack, you would get 150 rands fast start bonus on every academy pack. So you can do that as many times as you want on every academy pack. Now, what happens when each of those people want to upgrade their pack? They would go from $1,000 to $2,000. You would get another fast start bonus on that upgrade, which would be, in that event, another $150. And that would continue every single time an upgrade was done. This gives you repeating cash bonuses right from the start, the $300 pack, all the way up to the $100,000 pack. And those cash bonuses can become huge. The other half of the $300, another $150, goes into what is called a uni-level program. A uni-level program is a structure that enables you to develop multiple income streams, because there's no reason for you just to refer this amazing opportunity to one person. You can refer it to as many people as you want, and every time those guys come on board, you get paid the fast start bonus. But what are they going to do? Of course, they're going to refer that on to other people, and they in turn will refer it on to other people, and that will create these multiple income streams. And from every single sale of that, in every one of those packages, $150 goes into this uni-level bonus structure. That means you're going to be paid from not only what you do, you're going to be paid from the sales and the referrals done by all the people in your downline structures. And this can grow to a massive amount of money. So you get paid on every referral sale made by other people. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. you get paid on every single one a percentage. Ladies and gentlemen, as much as we've shown you on those previous slides, it's very exciting. You can see the immensity and the potential of that. But it's not finished, because there is a third bonus. It's called a withdrawal pool bonus. You got paid every time a person purchased their trading pack. The money's traded Monday to Friday, and then they get paid and they withdraw that money. Now you're going to also get paid every time people withdraw their money. Okay, so you get paid when they're going in and you get paid when they're coming out, and that can happen every single week. Now the structure of this trading pool, this withdrawal pool, is very different than the uni level, because this is designed to help even the people who are only there for passive income, to help them to expand and to generate more income by this very specific and deliberate structure. Here's an example. So let us say this is you with your $1,000 trading pack, and you have no interest at all in explaining this program to anybody. You just want the traders to make your passive income, and that's great. But let us say that you were introduced to this program by somebody else who is very active in doing introductions, because they introduced you. When that person introduces 1, 2, 3, number 4, that number 4, he cannot keep it. In this structure, it's called a spillover, and it will spill over and connect to you, even if you are a passive trader. And those spillovers will continue until 3 people and 3 accounts are connected directly to you, and then you can receive no more at that level. But what happens when these people start doing the same thing? Each one can only have 3 connections, or 3 spillovers, wherever they come from. So on the next level down, there would be 1, 2, 3 connected to that one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And these people again could just be trading people, but I guarantee some of them will be promotional people. And this will continue going down, down, down. It will go down 10 levels deep. And every time anybody in this structure makes a withdrawal on Saturday, you get paid. And you get paid at different percentages depending on the level they're at within this matrix structure. So guys, this is a very deliberate structure created by the company to create increasing passive income and residual income over a long period of time. Now all these bonuses, they help you to accelerate your way through this program. So let us say you start at a $300 pack right at the bottom. Okay, what are you going to do now? You're going to upgrade from a 300 to a 500, from a 500 to 1,000, from 1,000 to a 2,000, and you're going to do this systematically by using these bonuses that come to upgrade. Okay, so you can withdraw your profits and use your bonuses to upgrade your pack, and this will accelerate you through this trading ladder all the way up to the $100,000 pack. Now that might take 12 months, it might take 24 months, it might take 36 months. The time is irrelevant, it's just a matter of time, and it depends on how busy you become as a promoter, and sometimes by a little bit of luck, by the amount of the value of each pack that certain people buy. But the point is, once you're on this ladder, it's just a matter of time. So you pay for these upgrades from your bonuses. Let us start from the beginning. This $300 pack will double. The trader's contract is to double the value. So once that doubles the value, it will go from 300 to 600. You use 200 of that to upgrade, and you take the 100 out and put it in your pocket to go out and enjoy yourself and have some nice meals and buy shoes and handbags. Okay. The same thing with your $500 pack. When that $500 pack doubles up to $1,000, what do? $1,000, you take $500 out for yourself and use $500 to upgrade on, and just go on and on and on. Now imagine how fast this will accelerate if you also use your rewards bonuses to do that. A $1,000 pack being referred by you gives you $150 direct referral, and you put that into your trading pack and you upgrade it, and you can use this, and by doing that you can very, very quickly accelerate yourself from the bottom right up into these middle areas here where you've got a very, very severe monthly income coming to you. Unbelievably severe monthly income right up to the very top here. Imagine when you're on a $100,000 trading pack, 70% of that's being traded every single day. That's about R1,000,000 rands per day being traded for you in the market. Imagine the lifestyle that would come from that. So guys, to work this properly, use these bonuses to maximize your daily profits by upgrading, and upgrade from wherever you start as quickly as possible and start moving through this trading ladder. When you are starting this new journey, you're wondering, where will it lead to?
Hello guys, my name is Shane D, all the way from South Africa, Durban, and I would just like to wish CFX a very happy anniversary. I got started with CFX on the $300 plan, August 2019, and I'm pleased to tell you guys that I'm now on a $100,000 plan. For you guys in South Africa, I started off with 4,500 Rand, and now I have a plan with 1.6 million Rand. What's even more exciting for me is that during COVID, I was infected with the virus. I was unconscious for 2 weeks, and during the 2 weeks, I also hit director. So guys, show me a business where you can rank up and make money while you're unconscious. Thank you, CFX. And to everyone out there, welcome to our CFX family. God bless.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you can see by now the immensity of this program, and the opportunity that's here is real, and it's active, and it's happening now, and it's happening all around us. So please don't delay, just get on board and do this and follow the path already set out for us by Shane and the other leaders locally and internationally. Get back to the person who introduced you to this presentation today and tell them, let us get going straight away. They can show you how to get going. Get into the training, that's a weekly training that will teach you step by step how to move along that ladder. Start today. Where will it lead you a year from now, 5 years from now? Life can be wonderful, guys. It can be so wonderful. One Monday morning, those Monday mornings that you love, I know, you can look out your window and say, good morning, world. And you can move into that week the way that you want it to be. And all of those other people down there hurrying to work in the taxis and the queues and going about their daily lives in that 45-year treadmill, you can opt out of that. Life can be wonderful when you do this right. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope it's been an inspiration to you and a guidance to direct you to that new road. And I look forward to seeing some of you at the training on Wednesday. Thank you very much and have a great week.